Our emotions are far more complex than simple labels like happy or sad. They arise from a fascinating interplay between our brains, bodies, and life experiences. At the core of our emotional processing is a brain region called the amygdala. This almond-shaped structure acts as our emotional radar, rapidly scanning our environment for threats or rewards. When the amygdala detects something significant, it triggers a cascade of physiological changes. Our heart races, our breathing changes, and our muscles tense or relax. These physical sensations contribute a great deal to what we actually feel as an emotion. Alongside this, the amygdala communicates with the prefrontal cortex, the brain region responsible for reasoning and decision-making. This allows us to interpret and modulate our emotions, sometimes downplaying initial reactions if needed. However, in moments of heightened emotion, the amygdala can temporarily override our rational thinking, leading to those impulsive reactions we might later regret. Beyond the brain, our bodies are awash in chemicals called neurotransmitters, which play a crucial role in influencing our moods. Dopamine is linked to pleasure and reward, motivating us to pursue things that make us feel good. Oxytocin is the neurochemical that has allowed humans to become social creatures. It is responsible for the feeling of empathy, which makes us feel closer to others by encouraging social bonding during its release. Serotonin impacts mood regulation, contributing to a sense of calm and well-being. Then there's endorphins. These are hormones secreted by the brain that play a role in the masking of pain or discomfort. These hormones are strongly associated with the fight or flight response that we have carried throughout our evolution. These neurochemicals often work in complex combinations rather than solely determining one specific emotion. The relationship between our emotions and our bodies is a two-way street. Our emotional state influences physical health. Think of tension headaches or stress-related illnesses. Equally fascinating, our bodies impact our emotions. Research suggests that simply changing our posture or facial expressions can subtly shift the way we feel. This mind-body connection is powerfully leveraged in practices like mindfulness, where focusing on the breath and bodily sensations helps regulate emotions and increase self-awareness. Understanding this intricate dance between brain, chemicals, and body allows us to appreciate the complexity of our emotional experiences. It's why simply saying calm down usually doesn't work. Our emotions have a physiological basis that takes time to settle. This knowledge can aid us in developing greater emotional intelligence, recognizing the signals our bodies send us, and discovering techniques to manage our emotions in healthy, effective ways.